kindly be upstanding if you haven't left. Looks like they have left, but at the background they gave us a lot of support. Our beloved students from across Kenya, we were once like you, as small lads, just like you. Today we are this grown up. We wish you maisha mazuri tena marefu as you also grow up, but grow up in discipline and believe in yourselves. Our dedicated fans, we salute you, except for that day we saw a little bit of skirmishes around. And for all those I may not have mentioned, kindly appreciate from the desk of the governor that we are happy for your support. The fourth estate, thank you for the wonderful coverage from the Maticha Stadium to now a very distinguished stadium that is before us. One of its own kind. We promise you one more time. When you come next time, it will be a one-stop stadium. As you go to the East African Games in Mbale, I allow me to promise to probably join you in my private capacity to see how you will be doing at Mbale. Before I wind up, Chief Guest, His Excellency has sent a gesture of goodwill to all of you and to the students. He has asked us to give all students present 3,800 cans of sugar. There are no clubs for me and for governor. So already 1,800 cans of sugar is at Kisii High School ready for distribution to the students, and 2,000 at Nyabululu National School ready for distribution. Additionally, His Excellency has given 100 pieces of well-taken care of pineapples of grade 1 to be given as appropriate. Further, His Excellency has given 250 bunches of bananas, the pride of Kisii, that you will take home and enjoy a good meal. For men, I encourage you. With those very many remarks, allow me to stop there and invite our chief guest, the Director General, Mr. Api. Karibu.
Micro MC ukuje hapa. Micro MC huyo ni national official na pewe. Tunapita tutoke kwa picha.